I look at each head of lettuce, carrot, bean, and when I feel like I've celebrated its life in a respectable way, I feel that I've fulfilled what drives me. I'm very passionate about cooking responsibly and respectfully. So that involves how our produce is grown, how our animals are raised, and not to be wasteful. In Città della Pieve, which is one of the neighboring hilltop towns to me, there is two brothers that operate a farm and sell their produce in the town itself. And that's the only place that I will buy my special vegetables from.
Yeah.
Why would you throw away all this
No,
stuff?
no, of course not. So what ordinarily would happen?
This is ordinarily what happens, you throw everything away. You know, you get the cauliflower, you take all the
Wow.
leaves away, and you chuck everything else. But this is it's good stuff for you, it tastes amazing. So we just need to find a process for transforming it that people like. And a veloute, I think, could be a solution. A lovely green, dark green soup for the winter. For us, this project that we struggle to call farming because it's a bit different is all about sustainability. So it's pushing a natural way of farming, biodiversity, all the ingredients, getting people to be educated of what things should taste like, having better nutrient. We want to move to a different level. So you love what you do, you grow good things, you sell them for the right price, you give dignity to these ingredients,
You take care of your people.
and you take care of your people.
Right.
The current way of thinking is to try to cut down on all waste. Our job as restaurateurs is to educate people on how to eat, how to cook, how to try to make our lives more sustainable. The way that I've incorporated it into the way that we cook is I try to find ways to utilize our food in a way that is a sustainable way, meaning food that's locally grown from our farmers, but also our fish and our meat from farmers that are growing in a humane way. I feel like I've fulfilled my passion is when I've done justice to the ingredients that I work with.